Iinqhema ezine ezifike kuma-semi-final we-AWCON sezizihlolisele ukudlala emdlalweni yebhigiri yephasi yaboma eyokubanjwa unyaka ozayo e-Australia neNew Zealand. Ibanyana Banyana izabe ingenele iphaliswaneni kwehlandla lesibili kanti iZambia zabe ithoma ukungena emdlalweni yebhigiri yephasi yaboma. Indlela Ibanyana Banyana idlale ngakhona ikare iningi labantu balibuka hle izinga lebhola abayidlalako.
The game itself is a big game. It needs no motivation. The same like the first match needed no motivation. The players know, the team knows, the group knows the importance of the match.
Abadlali beSouth Africa bazimisela ukudlala ngokuzimisela bafike kumafayinali wephaliswaneli.
Having qualified for the semi-finals, we've met one of our objectives and we still have a goal to go all the way to the finals and hopefully clinching the title. And playing against Zambia, who come here with a lot of experience, having played in the previous Olympics, they will be a difficult team to play against, and we're taking them not for granted because we know how much of a danger they can be to any team they face.
Ihlangana engameli ibhola ekhethu apha iSAFA ithi ukuthuthuka kwebhola yaboma kwenze bona abafuna ukubamba ibhigiri yephasi yaboma isikhathini esizako.
To see the progression of the team and the quality of the play, it was very important that we go to our second successive World Cup because we want to establish Banyana not just as a brand in our country, on a continent, but in a global brand. And part of that thing is to consider the hosting of the Women's World Cup in our country.
Ibanyana Banyana idlale ngokuzimisela emidlalweni emini edlulileko kodwa nasekwabhala kubethena amagondelo. Iphaliswaneni eli bakhona ukubetha amagondelo alikhomba kwangena amabili kwaphela ngakibo.
For you to believe is to see the commitment, the passion and the quality of play. Everybody here in Morocco is saying the South African team produces the best football.
Ngomunye umdlalo wama-semi-final iSiqhema seMorocco sibhudabhudana neNigeria.